Hey everybody, what's up? Today we'll be doing another massive tech unboxing video to check out some of the free things sent to me. This is not a review of the products, but if you want to check them out further, I'll leave a link to them in the description below. So give this video a thumbs up and stick around to check them out. Also, big shout out to all the subscribers on the channel. Thank you for the support. First on the list is this portable projector from the brand Super 8man. Let's take a look around the box and then we'll check out what's inside. This box has all the accessories. Got the power cord and AV cable. This is the remote. And an HDMI cable. Now let's unwrap the projector and check it out. Looks pretty good, it's very light. Looks like we got some speakers back here. I think this is gonna come in very handy on my next camping trip. What do you guys think about it? Do you use a projector? Next on the list, we have this iPhone video creator kit from the brand Movo. First up is this wireless microphone system. Let's take a look at the packaging and then we'll open it up. It comes in a case. Let's open it up. Here's the transmitter. A look at the carrying case. This is the receiver with the iPhone Lightning connector. And here we have all the other microphone accessories. Next up is the LED video light. Get a USB cable. Here's a closer look at the LED light. Next is the smart grip for your phone. Let's check out the packaging. It comes with a carrying strap. And here it is. Looks and feels pretty good. These are gonna be very handy when filming my future videos. The next item from the creator kit is the durable mini tripod. Let's check out the packaging. Inside you get a carrying bag for the tripod. And here's the tripod. It feels pretty well built. Next on the list is this wireless USB adapter from the brand Big One. Let's check out the packaging. You get a USB-C adapter. Here's a closer look at the wireless adapter itself. Next up, we have their multi-platform gaming controller for Switch, Windows, and Android. Let's take a look at the packaging. You get a cable connection, a USB adapter, and here's the controller itself. It looks pretty neat. I like the colors. Next up, we have this wearable air conditioner from the brand Taurus. Let's open it up. Think about that for a second. A wearable AC. I wonder what they'll come out with next. This is totally new to me, so I'm curious to check it out. Let's see what's inside. Got a USB cable. This is a carrying bag. And here's the wearable AC. Man, this is totally different, but it's a cool idea. So which product from the list was the coolest? Comment and let me know. If you want to see more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Big shout out to all my subscribers. As always, please share this video with a friend and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and peace out.